Welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing the guitar playing skeleton. Colors are, as always, black and white as opaque, and the rest of the colors are transparent. And the painting surface is a Chromolux paper, which is glossy coated. So I'm starting with the first stencil that I'm painting with white, but not with full opacity. I'm just using like 50% of opacity so that I get a gray tone. And now I'm switching to light brown, which is like 90% yellow and 10% purple. I think it's good looking for the skull color. And now comes the full white. And I'm just painting the full picture in full white. So there you have it. And now that the skeleton pops out a little bit better, I have the cover-up stencil, and I'm doing a little background here. So this is just a piece of paper that I ripped in two parts so that I can do a horizon. And I'll start at the bottom with a full white, and then going up there's less white. And now comes the black for the shadow and the feet, and the rest now they're transparent colors, and I use a full red, the yellow, and the light brown again. So as you can see, the less white you have, the darker the color gets. So at the head of the skull you have like really dark red, and at the bottom there's now a yellow and orange, a little white for the horizon. And then I'm doing some dots, so you can see it's sparks flying or like stars. And there you have it. Now I'm using the light brown again to put some color on the bones, and I'm using the white again to put in some highlights. So this is a full white stencil, and I'm not painting everything in full white, but doing some, like I said, some highlights on stuff that needs to pop out a little bit more. And there you have it. If you liked it, you can subscribe my channel. There are more videos.